Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to tell you about best e-commerce theme for WordPress. So let's start. Shop Mania is a best e-commerce theme by Theme Hunk. This theme will fulfill your all selling product purposes. As you can see, this theme is loaded with full features. Let's open any product. See, here we have quantity option, wishlist option and add to cart option. After clicking on add to cart button, it will add product into your shopping cart. Let's click on checkout button. It will redirect it to billing page. So here your customer can pay the amount and buy your product. Let's install this theme into our WordPress. Go into appearance and click on themes option. I have mentioned theme download link into description box where you can download it. Now click add new button. I have already downloaded this theme, so I am uploading from my downloads folder. Click activate button to activate this theme. So the Shop Mania theme has been activated. Now click on get started with Shop Mania button. We have to follow these 4 steps to install e-commerce theme properly. Click on recommended plugin tab. Install all plugins like Hung Companion, All-in-One WooCommerce, Advanced Product Search, Variation Swatches, Lead Form Builder, Pop-up Builder, Product Compare, and WooCommerce Wishlist. This might take some time to install and activate plugin. These plugins are required before installing demo of theme because all features are dependent on these plugins. Without these plugins, it won't work. After installing and activating all the plugins, click on Import Demo Sites option on left sidebar. Here you can see we have so many theme options. We can install this theme. And we have option to install this second theme also. This theme looks clean. You can use this theme if your business is about selling clothes and accessories. If selling grocery is your business, then you can select this theme. This theme is full of features to list your grocery items. Let's check another themes also. It has pro version of grocery and food store theme. I will give link into description box where you can download this grocery and food store theme. Now I am installing this fashion store theme. Click on install plugins. It will start installing these themes required plugins. Now click import this site button. This will import the dummy data of theme. In this dummy data, there will be images, categories, pages and posts. This demo import will also take time because there are so many media files and pages. So have patience. So import has been done. Let's see the front end. Finally, our fashion store theme has been installed successfully. You can manage your e-commerce website from dashboard. If you want to change logo, click customize link. Here you can see site identity, click on it. If you want to remove this fashion shop logo, click remove button. See, the logo has been removed. Click this option display site title if you want to display text as site title. See, the site title start displaying. I am changing it to Fashion Planet. Click publish button to save this. It will save your all changes. Click below. This is how it will look into iPad screen. You can check mobile screen also. In front end, you can change its design also through Elementor plugin. To work with Elementor plugin, we have to recreate Kit. Click on Regenerate Files and Data, Sync Library, and Recreate Kit button. It will install all dependencies. Go into front end. See, Elementor is working now. Let's change this free shipping heading through this Elementor. Click on it. Rename it from left sidebar title and description. I am renaming title to free shipping in America. After saving it, let's see it on front end. So you can see it renamed title on front end. If you like this theme, then you can download it from my description box. Thanks for watching this video. Click subscribe button for latest updates.